Welcome to ThinOptics Virtual Try-On, your gateway to a life free of the hassles of conventional eyewear. Imagine never having to search for your reading glasses again. No more hassle, no more inconvenience. That's the future we offer. To start, position yourself in a well-lit area and grab your camera-enabled device. For mobile users, head to our homepage and click Virtual Try-On. You'll initially see just your face. Slide the product viewer at the bottom of the screen to select different pairs of glasses. Take your time choosing between different styles and colors, try them on, and then hit the buy button in the lower left to close the virtual try-on once you've found your favorite. Here you will see the product page appear. For desktop users, navigate to our homepage and click Virtual Try-On. Our vision solutions will appear on your face, and you can select another in the product viewer bar at the bottom. If you've clicked from a product detail page, the frames will appear directly on your face. Simply click the shopping cart to move back to the product page. For everyone, once on the product page, finalize your choice with strength and frame color. If you're not sure of your reading strength for glasses, we can help you figure that out with our online strength tests that's available to you from the comfort of your own home. Once you finalize your choices, click Add to Cart and you're done. Life just became incredibly simpler and clarity is always within arm's reach. Why settle for anything less?